Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we're going to draw and color cute unicorn. Let's start drawing. First we draw the unicorn's horn. Then we draw its wavy hair. And we draw its long ears. Now we're going to draw the unicorn's nose. We're drawing its neck. We'll continue drawing the unicorn's hair. Next, we'll draw the unicorn's cute eyes. And eyebrows. Finally, we're drawing the small details. Wow! We've finished drawing cute unicorn. Let's start coloring. Purple for the unicorn's nose. Green for the unicorn's eye. Pink! We're going to color the unicorn's hair look like a rainbow. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Cream for unicorn horns. Perfect! We finished drawing and coloring cute unicorn. Look how colorful and beautiful it is. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.